Rivkah is an illustrator, designer, and writer living in both Manhattan and Austin. Her clients have included HarperCollins, St. Martin's Press, the Society of Children's Book Writers and Illustrators, Cricket Media Group, Vertigo, DC Comics, Tokyo Pop, and various fashion, tech, and publishing companies. Her graphic novel series, Steady Beat, was nominated by the American Library Association for their Great Graphic Novels for Teens list. Your work is just beautiful, and we're so excited to have you as the MC and guest instructor in our next workshop. We're going to have several of the Girllustrators there, and I was wondering if you guys have come up with a prompt for the group yet, and if you'd like to share that with us.
We have. We've decided as a group that what we'd like to see is what would you put in a portfolio? So choose one piece that you would present in a portfolio, a showcase piece. It can be a piece that you've already created. It can be a new piece. And then I will critique it. But I will critique it not from the merits of it just being an illustration, but from the merits of it being a piece that you're going to present to an art director, an agent, whatever market that you're trying to sell to. That's how I will critique it. And the other Girllustrators will critique it as well. So
a full panoply of
yes.
of critiquing Girllustrator. With you.
So I think I'll be heading it up, though.
Do you want to see the pieces a couple days before? You're going to get.
I would love to. I would love to see them a few days before. But if they can't get it in right away, it's okay if it's a last minute.
So as a group, you guys will select, or you will select for the group on the group's behalf, 10 pieces from the pool to talk about. So this will be handy for everybody because it'll be a piece you might already have in your portfolio.
Yeah.
The illustrators are going to talk about why it should be in your portfolio or why you might need to take it out, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So it can be hard to tell. I mean, sometimes you got a portfolio is a narrative. So seeing it out of context from the rest of the portfolio can sometimes be a little misleading. So I say pretend that it's the first page that an agent or art director opened up to, even if it was in the middle of the portfolio, because they do that all the time. They will just open it up to some random page and pretend that it's out of context from the rest of the portfolio. That's the first thing that they see.
Got to pop and speak, communicate right away. So good, you're going to be looking at that. And also, it's going to be an open Q&A to get all of our remaining questions answered from the Girllustrator. So we'll be let everybody be stockpiling questions for them. And we've got a special Girllustrator, Shelley Ann Jackson, who will be talking to us from Cambridge, England. Rvkah, this is going to be so exciting. We're so looking forward to having you as our guest instructor. And we will see you next month with our artwork.
It's going to be awesome.